What's up everyone, it's Adam with Adam's Tech Talk, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. The Galaxy Note 9 features a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 2960 by 1440. That comes out to a PPI of 516. It also features two 12-megapixel cameras on the back and a front-facing 8-megapixel camera. Android 8.1 powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845. It comes in two colors in the US, a violet option and the blue option that we have here, and also available in two storage sizes, a 128GB with 6 gigs of RAM for $9.99 or a 512GB with 8 gigs of RAM, and that is $12.49. It has a whopping 4,000 mAh battery, is water resistant to IP68 standards, of course has wireless charging, iris and facial recognition to unlock the phone, and a brand new S Pen this year that has Bluetooth Low Energy that allows you to skip tracks or take photos with the button that is on that S Pen. Anyway, with all of that out of the way, let's get it unboxed and see what you get. So right on top we have a box with the SIM eject tool and some paperwork in here. We have an AT&T Let's Get Started. That is going to obviously change with your carrier. TV on your terms, AT&T trying to sell you DirecTV. Good luck with that, guys. Let's see, terms and conditions, health and safety information. The phone is next, but let's set that to the side and see what else is in here before we get to the good stuff. A SIM card, obviously that is going to change with your carrier. We have a USB-C to USB-A on-the-go connector to attach external hard drives, storage devices, etc. A fast-charging wall adapter. And this, we have new stylus tips with a tool to change those out. Samsung headphones with a remote built in, and those are tuned by AKG. A USB-C cable. Let's get to the phone. There's the dual 12-megapixel cameras on the back with the fingerprint sensor, heart rate sensor. On the left side we have a Bixby button, volume rocker. On the right side we just have the power button. On top is that SIM and micro SD card slot and a microphone. On the bottom we have a speaker, microphone, USB-C adapter, 3.5mm headphone jack, and the yellow stylus. Anyway, if you all liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and ask any questions you might have in the comment section below. We'll talk to you later.